Hey y'all, it's me, Mika aka Monroe XO here, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a special video. I really want to do this video because I feel like it's good for a lot of new moms and a lot of seasoned moms, because when you start off, that day you bring home your baby, it is like no day that you've ever experienced on this earth, okay? I don't know, I just felt like this might be helpful, and it is in collaboration with LUISA Jewelry, and we are talking all things mommy, okay? Mother's Day is coming up. They have the best pieces to treat yourself and gift either yourself or a mother that you know with some nice, timeless, gorgeous pieces. They have been so kind enough to give me a 15% off discount code, which I'll put on the screen, and I'll also put it below in the description box so you can click that link. It'll take you directly to the website. You could browse a little bit. If you know me, you know all my jewelry that I ever wear is Ana Luisa. Today's video includes these lovely earrings, and then we also got a really pretty bracelet as well, but you'll see more of that in the video as we are doing a little get ready with me today. But let's go ahead and get into it. We're gonna do a full get ready with me, makeup. Oh, I had already did my hair. Okay, hair is already done. So makeup and outfit, and yeah, I gotta go. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. Starting off, fresh face. I'm just gonna use a moisturizer. This is a green tea moisturizer from Teamy. Sorry, it's not green tea, it's avocado, matcha, and hemp. I don't know, but it smells good and it's super moisturizing. I really love it. So the reason I'm doing this video is because being a new mother, there are certain things that maybe I wish maybe somebody could have warned me about. Not warned, that sounds scary, but just like things I wish I knew before becoming a mom. I know Mother's Day is coming up, and I think once you become a mom, you realize that all moms are superheroes. The ones that make things happen for their kids, regardless of how it's gonna get done, it's gonna get done. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't wanna talk too much. So I'm probably just gonna talk, and all the makeup details will be below in the description box. So first things first is, I wish somebody would have told me, girl, take your time. I thought that everything, I'm using a new foundation and it's looking real light. Oh, that scares me. That scares me a lot. Why is it so light? Let's see if I can blend it. Sorry. Yeah, I wish somebody would have told me, like, girl, take your time. You don't have to do everything in one day. You don't have to do all the laundry in one day. You don't have to do all the dishes in one day. Sometimes, you know, you can leave those dishes, okay? Not everything has to be done right away. I think it's so important to really enjoy those moments with your baby in the beginning, because, oh, I know people say it goes quick, but it does go quick. I really can't believe that I actually have a 1-year-old. Like, that's weird to me. I also think this goes, is in line with the whole bounce back theory, where people are like rushing to, not bounce back, snap back. People are rushing to snap back when honestly you just need to spend time with your baby. That's all that needs to happen within the first few years of their life. I don't even want to say within the first few months. I want to say years, because like I said, that time just goes so fast. So you can work out later. You know what I'm saying? And that's not for every mom. Some moms like to work out as their form of self-care, and I get that. I 100% get that. How's my foundation looking? It's looking okay in the viewfinder, but I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna keep going. Speaking of self-care, you have to make sure to take care of you. Like, I lost myself a little bit in the beginning just because I was such in a cycle of feeding, cleaning, eating, or trying to remember to eat, but making dinner and stuff like that. And you get help in the beginning, which is so nice. If you have family that want to help you, take it, okay? Take it. I found that, like, doing my hair, actually doing videos, recording videos kind of made me feel good, because doing my hair, doing my makeup, trying on clothes, even though it can be daunting in the beginning because your body's changed, is still like a beautiful process, because it's kind of like you're getting to know yourself all over again. We can't talk and do eyebrows that great, okay? I just think that you need to pamper yourself a little bit. You need to, I know it's so hard to wash your hair. And that's what makes me think, like, single moms, I'm so thankful that I have my husband to help me, but single moms, you are the MVP, okay? To do all of that on your own, I salute you. I definitely salute you. In the beginning of this video, I said like moms are superheroes, and I'm not joking at all. The stuff that I've done, not to toot my own horn, but honey, I'm a queen, okay? And so are you. Sometimes I felt like in the beginning, even if I just got maybe an hour away to paint my nails, it kind of just helped the mood I was in. You know what I'm saying? Like, you just have to make time. I was gonna say find the time, but I think it's so important to make time. In the beginning, you literally don't have any time for yourself. But you get into a routine of things, you find out what works for you and your baby and your family, and you go from there. Which leads me to the next thing I wish I would have known was in the beginning when I first had my baby, I was so scared to ask for help. Like, this meant like even my husband, when he'd get home from work, before everything shut down last year, but when he'd get home from work, I feel weird asking him, could he watch the baby while I showered? Or could he watch the baby while I did my nails? Get over that. Get over that. People said there's this thing called mom guilt, and I never really understood it until you become a mom and you realize like, oh, why do I feel bad for asking my husband to watch his son? Like, it's just a weird feeling, and you just gotta get over it and get past it. And even if it's not your husband or a partner that can help you, it could be your family, your friends. Take the help when it's offered. People don't ask to help you for no reason. Like, don't feel like you're being a burden is something that I'd like to stress for new moms and even us well-seasoned moms. Sometimes if you need help, you just have to ask. I am gonna do my lashes off camera right quick and I'll be back. I also feel like becoming a mom lets you know that your mom isn't crazy. That's just like what being a mom is. You worry, you stress, you think, you overthink things. Like, it's so easy, it's so much easier said than done. But for me, I started to recognize where my mom was coming from. I think it's so important that, like, I know it may be so hard to do, but like when people invite you out for a coffee, or I don't know, dinner maybe, or even a drink, if you want to go but you feel like, oh no, I can't leave my baby or something like that, don't feel that way. I think it's so important to have a little bit of normalcy where, you know, you still feel like you. It's so beautiful to see how much moms really sacrifice for their kids, because you really give your all, you know? And I say that to say that it does get easier once you can like get into a routine of things and how stuff works for you. It does get easier. I know it may seem hard, those sleepless nights at first, and sometimes the sleepless nights come back because sleep regression is a mug, but it's important to remember that every day is a new day and it just takes time, you know? And I just want to talk about this for any new moms or moms that can relate to what I'm talking about and understand. I hope you don't feel guilty for those times that you did what you wanted to do just because it meant time away from your baby or something like that. I don't know. I know that it is easier said than done. I've probably said that a whole bunch of times throughout this video, but being a mom is the ultimate sacrifice to me, and it's a job. Yes, I'm gonna call it a job. It is a job and a title that I absolutely love, and I'm so appreciative that this little being, you know, chose me to be his mother. But am I getting emotional? So next, let's go ahead and talk about our jewelry today from LUISA. The first thing I'm going to show you is this bracelet that I absolutely love. It's the Nana bracelet. It is gold with a little like rhinestone detail, has a little clasp. This is probably my favorite new bracelet from LUISA. It just makes me feel like really dainty and cute. And then next I got these really cute earrings. These are called the Fanny Earrings. They have, again, a really nice little detail of the rhinestone and then a little hoop. Y'all know I've been rocking with LUISA for a while now, so I'm so thankful to them for sponsoring this video. They have the best jewelry. They have really unique pieces that you don't see like everywhere, and I absolutely love them. Okay, so I'm in my closet. I'm getting ready to go treat myself. I'm just gonna be wearing this pretty little thing, tank top, and then we have these fashion to figure jeans, which I'll probably insert a full body clip so you can see all of it, but this is what I'm gonna wear today to treat myself. I've got on some cute little sandals from Fashion Nova, I think they're from, and my little bag. My scent of the day is the Baccarat dupe from Dossier. Smells so good, okay, so good. I only have a little bit of time to myself before I get little man, but again, mothers, don't forget to treat yourself. So with that being said, I am treating myself today. I know it is just a coffee, but I'm gonna go out. It's nice outside, it is sunny, and just enjoy a little bit of me time, okay? And I wish that all you mothers do the same thing. Again, don't forget I have a discount code with LUISA to make sure you can get you some cute little jewelry too, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. Always, always, always remember to spread love, inspire others, and strive for greatness. And I'll see y'all soon.